Number 10, Alcoa trading up about 0.5%. The aluminum producer announced its first quarter earnings right after the close. Deutsche Bank recently upgraded the company from a sell to a hold.
Number 9 is Activision Blizzard, up almost 2%. This comes after news CEO Bobby Kotick took a $55 million cut in pay last year. He only got $10 million. That's down from the $65 million that he got in 2012. Last year was also the first year in which Kotick gained full control of the video game maker after gaining majority ownership from Vivendi. So he's essentially paying himself, which is why he decided to pay himself less.
Makes sense. Number 8, it's Nike trading up about 3% today. The athletic apparel maker receiving an upgrade earlier today at Stifel to a buy from a hold.
All right, number 7, Abercrombie Fitch, down almost 2%. The teen clothing retailer announcing that it will pay thousands of dollars to assistant managers due to improperly withheld overtime wages. The full number of assistant managers actually was not disclosed, but more are emerging to join the lawsuit.
It's not just for teens, Trish.
It's for you, too.
I can wear it, too. Number 6 is eBay. Shares are soaring almost 4%. According to Channel Advisor, March comparable sales for the e-commerce website and owner of PayPal rose 17.8% year over year.
And number 5, its Comcast shares are down slightly today. NBC Universal CEO Steve Burke says that he expects the network to be back in the number 1 spot when the TV season comes to a close, ending a decade-long seat in 4th place for the network that aired the Sochi Olympic Games, of course, and Sunday Night Football will close with the biggest audience in prime time. That's what advertisers want to see, viewers between the ages of 18 and 49. So, I mean, this is really impressive, right? In just 3 years, he's enabled them to go from 4th place to 1st place. It looks like they've had huge success with shows that I know Matt watches a lot, like The Voice and Blacklist.
Do you watch The Voice?
I was actually going to ask what shows.
Seriously?
You know what? I get that the Olympics help boost your rating, but what do people watch on NBC?
Voice and Blacklist.
The Voice and what?
And The Blacklist.
Who watches
I've
that?
actually never seen it either.
I don't watch
But how much
those.
primetime TV do you watch? It's not like you're watching CBS or ABC.
I watch
or
a
Fox.
ton of TV in the primetime slot, but I'm usually watching HBO or Netflix or playing Call of Duty.
Or playing Call of Duty.
Yeah.
But no, I mean, that's the problem nowadays.
Yeah, it is.
But big victory lap here for Steve Burke.
Totally. And also, he said Jimmy Fallon's new show is doing well, replacing Leno.
All right, number 4, we're moving on. Plug Power. Shares are soaring, up over 6%. The best performer in the NASDAQ is expecting its first profits this year since its IPO back in '99. This is sales for its fuel cell-powered forklifts continue to grow. The company expects orders to almost quadruple this year to about $150 million.
Number 3 is CVS, trading down 1%. The Securities and Exchange Commission has charged the pharmacy chain with misleading investors about significant financial setbacks and improper accounting. CVS has agreed to pay $20 measly million to settle with the SEC. So basically nothing.
Nothing.
A parking ticket, a cab ride.
Not a lot of money for CVS. Number 2 is Citigroup, down slightly today. The company has agreed to pay $1.3 billion, a little bit worse than CVS, to settle claims from mortgage bond investors, thus ridding itself from liabilities tied to mortgages it packaged and sold in the run-up to the financial crisis. So Citigroup, just the latest bank there, trying to put this behind them.
All right, number 1 stock of the day, Amazon. Amazon shares up almost 3% after a new report came out showing that streams of Prime Instant Video nearly tripled year over year, and that Amazon has surpassed Apple and Hulu in video streaming. Amazon has also won an appeal in court against digital home technology provider Rovi on claims that Amazon infringed on 2 patents